Welcome back to Frontline Eurosports Online. I'm your host, Nate Jennings, on this cool January morning, and we're going to be uncrating a BMW C400X in white. This is going to be our very first 400. It's coming out of the crate, so I hope you enjoy the unveiling of a C400X from BMW Motorrad. Let's do it, Josh. Got a comment on my YouTube channel this morning that I'm supposed to be more caring with my coworkers and help you do the uncrating. So I'm going to help. Yeah. There you go, asshole. But this is what he does. He's better at it by himself. So we let Josh just roll his uncratings. Uh-oh, maybe. This is a whole new crate design, isn't it? And plastic, that's new too. Keeping them clean for the dealer. It's just gonna give you more finger strength. Well, it's stapled up from it. It's not wrapped in plastic, it's stapled in plastic. Learn something new every day that you're gonna change up the packaging. Oh, Bob's here. Come on, Bob. Come on. You got a hammer in your hand. Everybody wants to see the Bob hammer. Is that the Thor hammer? Good. Bob, you gonna come in and do an F850 GS adventure with me? We'll knock it out back to back for you. Nope. And we're gonna do this. We're not speeding this one up. You're gonna have to watch us struggle all day with this. Holy crap, that is badass. I love the TFT display on the 400. Oops. Did I lift that out early? It's clean. So the glorious job of a motorcycle shop employee on a Friday morning, getting out in the cold, forklifting a crate in. But this is the rewarding part, because then we get to show you the new hot stuff. Whoa! That's pretty freaking badass, I have to say. I like the TFT display. The switch keys went to what we got on all the rest of the machines. Heated grips, heated seats, run cycle. Got a little cable operation there. A little different throttle cables. Menu selection went to what we see on the rest of the switch cubes for the motorcycles. Multi-function controllers on this bad boy. We're going to have LED headlight rocking over here. What kind of little scooter tires are we running here? That's a meaty little design. Angels. Freaking A. That's nice. What else we got that's new? I like the two-tone on the saddle right there. There's a little different texture to it, and you can't see the other side, but we'll show you in a hot second here. what we got going on the other side, because even the engine design, the whole exhaust is completely different, more open and exposed than what we had on the 650s. I want to get underneath there and see what's going on underneath there. Got to put a battery in it. And we have keyless ride. C400 keyless ride, LED headlights, TFT, all kinds of good stuff. Callie, you going to get on TV today? We're having a casual day. Callie, come on. No one's seen you in a while. She says, TV, here I come. Callie, what's up, girl? You checking out the new 400? Callie, shop dog. Come here, Callie. So, do you approve of the new 400? You want to jump up on the seat? No. She says I'm more of a sidecar kind of dog. We'll get you a little walk around of this beast, get some close-ups of the other side of the motorcycle for you. Thanks for watching us here at Frontline Eurosports Online. As Josh and I created the first 2019 BMW C400X in white. Damn, look at the fuel door. God, this is awesome. This is a scooter. Might be using it as a daily commuter from now on.